family, this is Nettie Symphony Jones. Well, come to show y'all the finished product of my bench. I finished painting it. So I did 3 coats. 3 coats of paint on it. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. And yeah, I did 3 coats. Finished putting it together. It's real pretty. Let me see if I can pick it up and put it in position. Okay. Oh, oh. Paint snag. Let's see. Oh wow. Okay, I'll take care of that. And what else? Okay, guess I wasn't as dry as I thought it was, and I turn it over. I'll just go over it. Yeah, once it dries, I'll take care of that. It's just from this box. So I made sure I sprayed the crevices, sprayed this here real good, back and front. Cause that was really rusted real bad too, from the other chair, and like most of the areas like that was rusted out on the other chair. So you give it one good rain, and then I'll go back and see what needs to be spot painted. But yeah, fam, this is the final project of my the second bench, and yeah, this was they had sent this to me for free because the other one did not do what it's supposed to do, or it rusted. That's why the other one rusted. But the paint, the description said it was rust free, but it did. So by making it right, they sent me the second bench, and I went on and bought enough cans of Rust-Oleum black matted spray, can spray to just paint the second one that needed. Got it yesterday, so my thing was going to get it painted up, put it out here. I'm gonna sit it right here just for a moment, but probably go over there in that space tomorrow. Yeah, that's called target practicing, target shooting. Huntermen's out here, hunters. So I get to hear this great noise during hunting season. Y'all, last year when they started that, I was like, oh my gosh, what did I bargain up for? What am I doing out here in these woods? But that's all right. It's not like it's all day long. They just get out there and do their little target practicing. Several people over there, they do this target practice and work on their stuff and get ready for hunting season. Yesterday was the kids' day to go out and hunt deers. So several of my little nephew, the one that I keep, Matthew, he went hunting yesterday. Other little fella, Jay, went hunting yesterday. And I'm sure other little fellas went too. And I know they went. They just told me their story a few minutes ago. They went out hunting. They didn't say they didn't see anything. Okay. All right, family, this is Nettie Simply Me Journey. I just want you all to see the second bench, how beautiful it is. And I did a good spray paint job, help keep the rust away from it. And I will be putting it over here in a few minutes. All right, fam, you all be blessed. If you like my channel, please hit that like and please hit that like and subscribe button and share. And you all have an awesome, blessed rest of your day. Bye-bye.